Hi, this is how to make a Google Cardboard. Now, this is actually a knockoff. I got on AliExpress for about $2, but I think everyone you should pick one of these up to watch the awesome videos on my channel. Okay, so opening it up. Make sure you don't lose the pieces. They seem useless, but you need them all. Even the lenses, the elastic you'll need. So it's pretty simple. You can pop all this stuff out. Pop it out. It's a pretty basic design. I do say so myself. So 1 to 1. 2 to 2, I mean this. This 2, you have to pop everything out. So pop it out. Now, I'm just going to set it up and then put in the lenses just to make sure everything works out. So, where's the 2s? Shove the 2s in the 2s. I'm going to put it this way so it looks better. 3 to 3. So this is really easy. 4 to 4. 4 to 4. And then 5 and 6 are these bottom ones. Just put them in. And put this up. So here's how it looks. Ooh. Now I'm going to put, oh sorry, I missed one. Don't forget this one. It's 6 and 8. Goes in right, you see this? Here. Like that. So then, now I'm going to take it out. So these are the lenses. They should focus. You focus something kind of close to you. I'm not going to do it here, but I was just gluing these in just because my last Google Cardboard actually I broke it. Or lost it, sorry. They fit in like this. You can just go like around here. Drop her in. Make sure they're going the same way. If you put them in wrong, you can just flip them. So yeah, wait to glue them in if you do. Okay. All that goes back in here. Fold it back up. Now, this elastic that came with it, let's put all the way around. Holds everything together. Like I said, 6 and 8 goes in here. Just to split up the eyes. Your Velcro. Peel one side, put it right where it says to. And side, right where it says to. And the other side's here. So you peel them off. Again. And the magnets, there'll be a spot over here for them. One goes on one side, one goes on the other. So put one's in there. Then you can go like this, and it acts as a button. So now you can get out your phone and try it out. Got out my phone. It's a 6S. iPhones do work in these. Open it up. Go to the Cardboard app. You can set it up go click the viewer, and then there's a QR code. Scan that, just so it knows what you're doing, and then you should be able to take the Velcro off. Doesn't fit in here nicely, but also, so this is a button, and then you go like this to return home. So that's how to make a Google Cardboard. If you have one, make sure to watch my videos I made for it. If you want to make videos for it, watch my tutorial on that. And please like and subscribe.